Let's talk about the difference between America and UK crochet terms. So it's like other things. So in the UK, we say pavement, but in the US, so the US is America, yeah? The USA, so we just shorten it to US. In the US, they say sidewalk. It means the same thing, but it's a different word. And there's a lot of things like that with between UK and US. We spell colour with COLOUR. They spell colour COLOR. We say lift, they say elevator, and there's lots of other things. So in crochet, it's the same. We have different words for different stitches. But there are some names that stay the same. So a chain in the UK is a chain in the US. A slip stitch in the UK is a slip stitch in the US. So these are the important ones that you're going to need to remember. In the UK, we say double crochet. In the US, they say single crochet. So single crochet is what I have been using. A lot of people in the UK do use the US terms because they make a bit more sense. So our double crochet in UK terms is the treble crochet. The US half double crochet, which you haven't met yet, is a half treble crochet. So you see it's like one bigger every time for the UK. A treble crochet in the US is a double treble crochet in the UK. So that's another one that we haven't met yet. So you might want this table. I'll put it in your workbook so that you've got it, and it's also as a download below, so you can keep it, print it off, and it's a helpful thing to remember.